Hash. Step 1. Check PS5 storage and system. Make sure your PS5 has enough free storage, at least 20 gigabyte recommended. 2. Ensure your PS5 system software is up to date. Go to Settings, Settings, System, System Software Update, and Settings, Update System Software. Step 2. Access PlayStation Store. 1. From the PS5 home screen, go to PlayStation Store. 2. Use the search bar and type Where Winds Meet. 3. Select the correct game from the results. Step 3. Purchase or redeem. If the game is paid, click Add to Cart, Purchase. If you have a redeem code, 1. Go to PlayStation Store, redeem code. 2. Enter your code and confirm. Step 4. Download and install. 1. After purchase or redeeming, select Download to console. 2. The game will appear on your home screen or game library. 3. Wait for the download and installation to complete. Open quote, tip, connect to a stable internet connection for faster download. Close quote. Step 5. Launch the game. 1. Go to your home screen, game library. 2. Select Where Winds Meet, play. 3. The game should now load normally. Step 6. Troubleshooting, game not launching, stuck downloading. Restart PS5 and check internet. Insufficient storage, free up space from settings, storage, console storage. Error during installation, rebuild PS5 database. 1. Turn off PS5 completely. 2. Hold power button until you hear a second beep, 7 sec. 3. Connect controller via USB, select rebuild database.